In this video, we are going to see how you can hide and unhide Excel rows and columns. So let's go ahead and have a look. All right, so here we are in our multi-budget example that we have been using throughout this video series. In case you want to hide, let's say, a column, let's say I do not want to see the January column over here. So what you can do is highlight this column B over here and then right click on it. So when you right click on it, you will find option hide and unhide over here. So if you click on hide, it hides that column that you had selected. Basically what it has done, if you see at the top, there is A and there is C. So the B is missing. Essentially what it has done is it has minimized the column B to 0. If you take your cursor between A and C, you will see that the cursor changes having two parallel lines in it, with two arrows, which means that there is a hidden column over here. So if you left click on it and then expand it, you can actually bring that column back. You see, well, for beginners it's okay, but for advanced users, they can see that there's a gap over here, and they can just drag it and then they can pull it up. So there is another concept where you can protect your worksheet. So if you go onto the review tab, and if you see over here under protect, there are some buttons for protecting the sheet or protecting the workbook. So we will discuss these concepts in our upcoming videos, but right now for this video I just wanted to show you how you can hide and unhide the columns. So again, you can right click on it and then click on hide. And there's one more thing. So for example, if you go to the view tab and under show, there are these checks available, and among those checks is the headings check, right? So if you uncheck this, you will see that the heading is gone. So again, if they are advanced users, they can just go to this tab, click on the headings, and it should be visible for them and they can drag that back. So again, you would need that protect worksheet or protect book feature, which we'll discuss later. Similarly, if you just want to see the total in percentage, you can select multiple columns over here. Again, right click on it and then click on hide, and all the columns are hidden and only those are shown which you want to see. And to unhide it, what you can do is you can select these two columns, because there are missing columns between these. So you select these two columns, right click on it and then click on unhide, and all your columns are back. So this is the way how you can hide and unhide columns. You can do it for rows. So why don't you go ahead and try it out for yourself, and stay tuned for our next video.